how to add bank account or linked debit card on Venmo. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel, The Solution Guy. In today's video, I'll simply show you how you can link your bank account on Venmo. So just make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to link your bank account on Venmo, just go ahead and then launch the Venmo application, and then you will see the two options at the bottom. Tap on sign up with Facebook or whatever else you have, and then once you've signed up with Facebook and so on, and after you've created your account, we can go ahead and simply go ahead and then actually add our bank account. So to connect our bank, to sync your bank, just tap on the three lines in the upper left hand corner of the screen, then just tap on the option called transfer balance, as you could see displayed in blue at the top of the menu. Once you go ahead and simply tap on that option, you'll see other options over here as well. A new menu labeled bank verification will pop up. So first of all, select either instant or 1 to 3 business days. Then if you have an account with a major national bank, you can select instant verification and simply sign into your bank's website to connect to Venmo. If you have an account with a smaller bank like a local credit union, you may need to select manual verification to enter your bank's routing number and your account number, and your bank may also take up to 3 days to verify with this method. Once you select your verification method, if you chose instant verification, just tap on the continue option twice to acknowledge that Venmo uses Plate, which is an outside application to connect to your bank. Select your bank from those listed. If you do not see the name of your bank, you may search for it using the search bar at the top of the screen. If it does not appear, go back to step 3 and select manual verification. After you've done that, your bank should be successfully linked to your Venmo account. That's all it takes to set up a bank account with Venmo. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. And if you have any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.